So in this video, I am gonna show you how to create a guest account in Windows 11, allowing others to use your computer without accessing your personal files. So let's start the video. Begin by clicking the Start menu and selecting Settings app from the list. In the Settings window, navigate to Accounts on the left menu. Then click on Family and Other Users. Under Other Users, click Add Account. In the Microsoft account window, select I don't have this person's sign-in information. Then choose Add a user without a Microsoft account. Enter a username like guest12 and leave the password fields blank for no password. Then click Next. Your guest account is now created and ready for use. If you found this helpful, don't forget to liking the video.